What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Viber verification code problem solve. Firstly, when you get up into that type of problem, you need to get off from your Viber and then you need to go on your settings side on your phone. You need to choose up applications and then you need to go for the second selection, which is manage applications. When you get up right there on your search box, you need to type for the application, in this case is Viber, then go on it. And right here you need to go for app permissions, and here guys you need to make sure that all these sections which are related to sending a verification code, in this case is contacts and also phone and location side, all these needs to be allowed. Now as I tap on it, you're gonna see that all are allowed. Yeah. And now the next thing what you should do to get up and fix this problem, you need to scroll down, go on the last selection which is clear data, and go for clear all data and then go for OK. Thanks for watching guys, I hope help you. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.